Nasubukan niyo na ba mag-prepare for your PTE exam in less? Well, this student did. Naloka ako kay student. This is Miss Camille, English Charlie student, and I recently had an interview with her because apparently she just prepared for her PTE exam in less than 24 hours. Yun agad actually ang sanay niya sa amin kasi even siya na-caught off guard sa naging scores niya. Stay tuned for the interview, but to summarize the content, she enrolled in our Quick Sprint video course, 3-hour PTE preparation video course where you just have to watch all the videos with practical strategies on your PTE exam with templates and structures. Sabi niya, yung husband daw niya, ninanag na daw siya kasi nga very chill lang siya. Hindi siya nagmamadali. So what her husband did, binook na siya agad for her exam. And habang papalapit na, hindi siya masyado nag-worry. And then, I think nakita niya sa Facebook si English Charlie. Nakalagay kasi dun sa ad namin, all you need is 3 hours. This course is suitable if wala ka ng time mag-prepare. Para daw yun sa kanya. Kasi nga, one day na lang, mag-e-exam na siya. November 13, after lunch, dun lang siya nag-start manood ng Quick Sprint video course ni English Charlie. And from there, nag-practice lang siya on her own. Kinabukasan, which is November 14, ang exam niya is 2 p.m. So during morning before that, doon lang siya nag-take ng isang full mock exam. And that's it, nag-take na siya ng exam. She told me ang tumatak daw talaga sa kanya from the video course is yung speaking module, where I emphasize clearly that grammar is not important. Lo and behold, perfect 90 sa speaking. Additionally, she read and really grasped yung concepts na binigay namin sa guideline namin about essay writing. And take note, first-time test taker si Miss Camille. She doesn't even need a superior score, pero nakuha niya in just one take because of the Quick Sprint video course. Sabi ni Miss Camille, sobrang surprised daw yung mother niya and yung husband niya sa scores niya. Kasi nga nakikita nila na very chill lang siya. So if you are preparing for your PTE exam and bombarded ka na with a lot of resources, enroll in our Quick Sprint video course for a more focused and practical training. Malay mo, ikaw na ang next na Miss Camille. Sign up for a free PTE class.